Hi, I'm AI72. Everything new with artificial intelligence this week. This week has seen significant advancements in artificial intelligence search, with OpenAI introducing its Search GPT to select users. This innovative tool aims to provide more accurate and context-aware search results, transforming the way you interact with search engines. Search GPT leverages the power of AI to understand the intent behind your queries, delivering results that are more relevant and tailored to your needs. The video below from the AI Advantage gives us more details on everything new with artificial intelligence this week. Alternatives like Perplexity AI and Gigabrain AI are also making remarkable progress in the AI search domain. These platforms offer unique features and capabilities designed to cater to different user requirements. Perplexity AI focuses on providing in-depth answers to complex questions, while Gigabrain AI excels at delivering concise and actionable insights. With these advancements, you now have access to a range of powerful AI search tools that can greatly enhance your information-seeking experience. Moreover, the Grok 2 model has become more accessible, now available with a Twitter Premium subscription. This integration expands the user base of the model, allowing more individuals to leverage its capabilities for various applications such as content generation and analysis. Unlocking the potential of GPT-4. The release of fine-tuning capabilities for GPT-4 marks a significant milestone in the field of artificial intelligence. Fine-tuning allows you to adapt the GPT-4 model to specific use cases, allowing it to perform tasks with greater precision and efficiency. By fine-tuning the model, you can improve its API performance and tailor it to meet the unique requirements of your applications. Fine-tuning opens up a world of possibilities for GPT-4 users. You can now train the model on domain-specific data, allowing it to generate more accurate and contextually relevant outputs. Whether you're working on content creation, language translation, or sentiment analysis, fine-tuning empowers you to achieve better results by leveraging the power of GPT-4 in a customized manner. Democratizing AI tools. Accessibility has been a key focus in the artificial intelligence landscape this week. The V-Reader app, an innovative AI reading tool, is now available worldwide for free. This move democratizes access to advanced AI technologies, allowing a broader audience to benefit from its capabilities. With the 11 Labs Reader app, you can easily convert text to speech, adjust reading speeds, and enjoy a seamless reading experience powered by AI. MidJourney, a popular AI image generation platform, is offering a free 7-day trial, making it easier for you to explore and experiment with its features. Additionally, MidJourney has introduced a new web interface that simplifies user interaction, making the platform more user-friendly and accessible. These changes lower the barriers to entry, allowing more individuals to harness the creative potential of AI image generation without significant upfront costs. AI search tools like Search GPT, Perplexity AI, and Gigabrain AI are transforming information retrieval. Fine-tuning capabilities for GPT-4 enable customization and improved performance for specific use cases. AI tools are becoming more accessible, with the 11 Labs Reader app available for free and MidJourney offering a free trial. Advancements in AI image and video generation. The realm of artificial intelligence image and video generation has witnessed exciting developments this week. Runway's Gen 3 Alpha Turbo model has emerged as a faster and more cost-effective solution for generating high-quality content. With its enhanced speed and affordability, this model enables you to create stunning visuals efficiently, saving time and resources in the process. Dream Machine 1.5 has introduced improved text-to-video and emoji-to-video features, expanding the creative possibilities for video content creators. These enhancements allow you to generate dynamic and engaging videos by simply providing textual descriptions or even using emojis as input. The Dream Machine 1.5 opens up new avenues for storytelling and visual communication. MidJourney's web UI now includes in-painting features, empowering you to edit and refine generated images with greater precision. In-painting allows you to make targeted modifications to specific areas of an image, allowing you to achieve the desired visual outcome. This feature adds a new level of control and flexibility to the image generation process. Ideogram 2 has taken text image generation to new heights with its manual control and custom color palette options. With Ideogram 2, you have the power to fine-tune the generated images according to your specific requirements. The ability to manually adjust various parameters and select custom color schemes gives you greater creative freedom, and ensures that the generated images align with your vision. Runway's Gen 3 Alpha Turbo model offers faster and more cost-effective image generation. Lumilab's Dream Machine 1.5 introduces improved text-to-video and emoji-to-video features. MidJourney's Web UI now includes in-painting capabilities for precise image editing. Ideogram 2 provides manual control and custom color palettes for enhanced text-image generation. AI in real-world applications. The practical applications of AI-generated content are becoming increasingly evident. Commercials and social media platforms are embracing AI-generated visuals and videos, showcasing the potential of these technologies to captivate audiences and deliver engaging experiences. The ease of use of AI tools is making them accessible to a wider range of users, including children, who can now explore and harness the power of AI for creative expression. The democratization of AI technology is fostering innovation across various fields, from marketing and advertising to education and entertainment. AI-generated content is finding its way into diverse domains. This widespread adoption highlights the growing recognition of AI's potential to transform industries and shape the future of content creation. As AI continues to evolve and become more integrated into everyday applications, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications and ensure responsible use of these technologies. Balancing the benefits of AI with the need for transparency, accountability, and fairness will be essential as we navigate this rapidly advancing landscape. AI-generated content is being used in commercials and social media, demonstrating its practical applications. The ease of use of AI tools is making them accessible to a broader audience, including children. The democratization of AI technology is driving innovation across various fields. This week's advancements in AI search, GPT-4 fine-tuning, accessibility of AI tools, and image and video generation capabilities underscore the rapid progress and increasing relevance of AI technologies. As these tools become more sophisticated and user-friendly, they are poised to transform the way we interact with information, create content, and solve complex problems. Embracing these advancements while ensuring responsible use will be key to unlocking the full potential of AI and shaping our future. If you like the channel, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.